Good morning, everybody. Well, it's Friday, and today we are going to go to our teams and pull up the internet, go to our teams, and I'm going to do a quick review of what I want you to look for and how I want you to start using Teams a little more in depth now. We've talked about the activities. We've seen chat, Teams, meetings, files, assignments for this class, Construction 2020. And I'll use this same video for the Construction Tech Senior class. I just want to kind of go over some things that we've studied and what we've worked on and where we're going with this. So if we go to this, you can see on the activity, I'll pull it up first. And this is the feeds that you guys have given back to me. Yesterday, I asked, I want to open this up. Yesterday, I posted, good morning. We are going to cover plan reading today, review plan reading on Quizlet, and take our web exams. I did not get to take the web exams because we only had 8 students here yesterday. I do want to move forward with that today, so we are going to review another Quizlet that I will post later into an assignment for you to review. Then we will take the Quizlet and we can go from there. I also have donuts here today, so hopefully you guys can eat a donut to get ready to take these tests. And I want you to take these tests serious. This is your part of your exam. I'm a little early, but I think you can do it. If we need to redo it, we'll take the time and redo it. But I'm hoping that everybody does well on the web exams. That's comparable to my exam, so I will get a good feedback from that. With that said, I want to show you a couple of the tools that we haven't gone over. I want to show you chat. Chat is basically where I can carry a conversation on with you individually, and I don't have to worry about other students seeing this. So if you have a question about a test, please feel free to reach out in the chat section of this in Teams. This is a pretty neat system if we start to use it properly. So make sure we go to chat if you have something that you want to talk to me personally about. It might be as simple as, hey, how's your day going? I've had issues at whatever. Please feel free to reach out to me and I'll keep it confidential between us. The second thing the chat can work for is maybe you have a conversation and you can chat it to another individual. So you can actually direct who you want this chat to go to. Be mindful. I can see the chats. So I'm just telling you that up front. Make it, I prefer if you do a one-on-one conversation or if you do conversations, you keep it public and you stay within the rules of what I've laid out. Keep in mind that we're trying to be professionals in everything we do. And so with that, it's very important that you stay focused on the task at hand. But feel free to reach out to chat. I can go over that. Then the other things, meetings. Right now, our meetings, I haven't set up any meetings for us, but we are starting in January. When you come back, I'm going to set up our meetings. We've had meetings in our classroom. I think we meet every day, so that's a meeting. But at the same point, I'm going to start defining the meetings a little bit more in depth as we go throughout, especially as we move for Skills USA. This is also an opportunity that if you're not here that day, you can click on it. You can respond to the meetings. Maybe we can get some feedback from you even though you're not here. As far as the files are concerned, these files, I have some of them listed right now. We have the One Trade Many Careers Chapter 4 lesson plan. I have Finishing Drywall lesson plan. I have lesson plans in here. Tool and Safety, Project Book 1, Chapter 6 lesson plan. I have some lesson plans listed. And basically, we can just go through those. And if you see one that strikes your interest, but this one right here, I'm going to pull this up. This is our pathway. This file basically tells me what I have to do for construction for this class and what strands and everything that we have to follow. So please keep that in mind. I just would like to, this really doesn't concern you as much. It does me. But these are the things that I have to look for that you guys are accomplishing each year to move forward. It's very interesting if you'd like to read it. It's a good little read for you. And then I can get feedback on it from what you think if we're accomplishing some of these goals. But these are the goals that we try to meet each and every year. So with that, I will click out of this real quick and I will go back to the assignments. As far as the assignments, today, I will, after I'm done presenting this, I'm going to get in here and I can go over here and I will create a new one. I can create a new assignment or I can create a new quiz. So if I go over to create a new assignment, I can click on Construction Tech. This is us. I can go to Next. With that, I'll be able to type in the assignment. This is what I will be giving you today later on. I'm not going to fill it out at this moment. Here's our due date and the time I can have the time it's due. This will be when if I want to schedule it at a later date, or if I want when I want you to turn it in, if I allow you to turn it in late. And then if I want to put points, I can put so many points in it. I can add a rubrics for you to review. Over here, I can put the title of the assignment, the instructions for each of you, and then I can add resources. I can upload them from my computer. I can upload them from things that I have stored. So this tool is going to be very beneficial for all of us in this class as I get to better understand it. I think it's a neat way for us to continue moving forward. As we talked yesterday, studying online, a lot of you liked this part of studying online, but you liked a written test. We will work with this, but I'm just kind of giving you a quick review. And like I said, I'm going to post this to both classes today and review it again in class. We are today both classes. Again, I'm going to close this out. Both classes today will be studying for web exams, and we'll be preparing with doing the web exams. That prepares us for our final exam because it's a different issue. So thank you for your attention. I hope everybody enjoyed it, and we'll go from there. Have a great day, and looking forward to having great test scores today. By the way, you do have a donut hid in this classroom somewhere. Thanks. Have a great day.